Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to recover permanently deleted photos and videos from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac using iCloud. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and check the recently deleted folder. If it's been less than 30 days since you deleted the photo or video, you'll likely find it there and can recover it easily. But if it's been more than 30 days and the content is no longer in the recently deleted folder, here's what to do. Go to your settings and tap on your name at the top. Then select iCloud and tap on Photos. Make sure the option Sync this iPhone is turned on. Next, open a web browser. We are going to use Safari for this example. Go to iCloud.com and log in with your Apple ID. Once you're signed in, click on the Photos icon. From here, you might be able to see photos that are synced but not available directly on your device. If you see the deleted photo or video here, click on it, then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Download. The file will be saved directly to your device. And that's it! Now you know how to recover permanently deleted photos and videos using iCloud.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.